going on, boys? Dante here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Plutonium, which will include BO2, MW3, and the newly added World at War, all for free. Let's get right into the video. Alright, boys, so to start out, all links will be listed in the description, but what you're going to want to do is go to the Plutonium website that I have linked down below. You're going to want to scroll down. For this video, we're going to be doing World at War, but it'll download an actual UI launcher so you can play all the games and select all of them one by one. But what you're going to want to do is hit World at War download for this video, and then it'll show you how to install the base game. For me, I already have the base game installed through Steam, so I don't need to install the base game, but the files are here. It is completely free. But what you're going to want to do is scroll here, hit download the launcher, and then after the launcher downloads, you're going to want to open it, and then we're going to hit run anyways. And then as you saw, it already had the launcher set up for me. It'll probably have a little more to do for you guys, but you're going to have a big setup button right here where it says play. And then all you're going to do is select the game files that you either downloaded from Steam and or the website. And then it's literally as easy as that. The only thing I can say to do is actually go to the Plutonium website. Make sure you sign up with an account, because you're going to need an account to get into the actual launcher itself. But other than that, boys, it's literally that simple. If I helped you guys out with anything, just make sure to hit a like on this video. And if you guys are new here, just make sure to sub. But other than that, it's been your boy Dante, and I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace.